Multi-agent truck brokering system demo. Senior technical consultants Boyan and Massimo from Reach International built this multi-agent solution to automate truck-to-load matching. In this demo, they walk through how the system uses Copilot Studio's orchestrator and specialized agents to handle what normally takes dispatchers hours in just minutes.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be giving a small breakdown of our Copilot Studio multi-agent system implementation. Specifically talking about Truck Broker System, which is going to be our agent orchestrator right now, connecting available trucks with suitable loads for them. This is a system that is envisioned to actually boost the effectiveness and performance, which can usually take a couple of hours down to a couple of minutes. So what we have on the screen right now is our Truck Broker agent, which is the orchestrator in this case. Here you can see that the prompt which is directing our orchestrator to invoke each of the connected agents, which are actually a standalone agent as well. Each of them can act on themselves or be invoked in the context of the orchestrator. Below that you can see some of the instructions, which are basically the guidelines the track orchestrator has to follow. Below you can see that no knowledge is actually connected to the orchestrator agent because all of the connected agents actually have knowledge sources of their own. Below that we have one tool which is actually our Copilot Flow, and below them we can see all of the connected agents. These agents, as we said, are all standalone, so they can act on themselves. You can connect them to your web or web page or whatever as a standalone agent, or you can use the truck broker as the orchestrate. Now, without further ado, we'll actually go and run the agent and see what it can actually do. I will write a simple prompt. What this prompt will kick off is the series of agents they'll call themselves basically from the orchestrator. And first one is the truck agent. So the orchestrator understood our intent. The truck agent is going to search our Dataverse table to find the knowledge and currently available trucks. As you can see, we found 2 available trucks. Next up is the load agent. So the load agent will essentially wait for the truck agent to be finished. Once the orchestrator gets the available trucks, it will automatically call the load agent, pass those trucks, and the load agent will essentially try to find the best matching load for it. And as you can see here, it uses the deep for advanced reasoning to actually calculate the best load for it. Afterwards, once it actually finds the most suitable loads, the orchestrator will get all that information and will kick off a whole different logic tree. So it will essentially call the other agents to calculate all the remaining data for. So for example, the first one will be the route agent, which will pretty much check the route, check the locations, the distance, and so on. And afterwards, based on the router that has been established, the most optimized router to establish it will pass that information to the fuel agent, which will for each truck, identify the mileage per gallon. Based on a few quick formulas, it calculates the fuel you'll use and the estimated travel time. And last but not least, all that information will go through to the route plotting agent, which will create Google's map link with the route for each truck. And so what essentially happens when all these child agents work the data and send it back to the orchestrator will collect all the data and make its own answer. So what we're seeing here now on the right is essentially the orchestrator working all the data that I collected from the child agents, putting it all in one message and essentially giving you the whole thing. And as you can see, you also have the Google Map link that we mentioned before. And if you open it, you can actually see the route it identified. So from San Antonio to El Paso, plus you have all additional information, which is the estimated travel time, the fuel consumption, and so on. Now the next step is, since as we mentioned before, we do have one agent flow in the system that essentially takes care of assigning the truck to the load on our Dataverse level. You can click yes here if you want, and you will see that it will automatically trigger the AI tool. So the flow, and what this will do is it will actually update your Dataverse tables for you automatically. And as you can see here, that truck has been assigned to the load that it identified. There we go. So it opens up a custom form on Dynamics. And as you can see, The load number 51471 is now assigned to truck 5147.